Hi, this is Indrani Kundu and today's topic is flow of control loop portion I will discuss today in Python. We know that instructions executes one by one, that is sequential execution of instruction is the normal instruction execution, but sometimes in programs, due to the requirement of the program execution takes different path. So sequential execution sometimes does not follow. Few instructions we need to execute repeatedly, few instructions we need not execute, few instruction we need to execute depending on the condition, and few instruction we need to execute for another set of condition. So these are the flow of control of a program. So for controlling flow of execution, we sometimes use codes which helps to repeat the code. Why the repetition? Because the repetition is required for some reason. For example, you are attending a training program in a gym and you are instructed to follow like 10 times push-up. Then what to do? We need to count that exactly 10 times it is happening or not, and for this we will set a counter and the counter will increment. If we set the counter from 1, then the counter will increment 1 by 1, and then when counter reaches 11, then we stop. Means for the 11th time we are not doing the push-up because we are instructed to push up for 10 times. So this thing if we implement in a program, then we need to write the commands for loop iteration. So first I am showing you the simple one, that is the while loop, and we also have for in Python. So how to run the while loop? As we need to run the loop for a specific number of times, so we are setting a counter. We are setting the counter to 1. For example, I need to print hello 10 times. Okay. So I have set counter to count variable to 1, and then I am writing the keyword for loop, that is while. So what is the condition? After while we have to write the condition which will generate boolean value, that is either true or false. As we have to repeat the instructions, so we have to write the condition till which we will follow the instructions. So the condition is while count less than equals to 10 and then colon indicates the start of block. As Python is a 4th generation language, we skip few unnecessary codes, like in 3rd generation programming language we used to write curly bracket for a block. Here the curly bracket concept is removed. Instead we are using colon and then indentation to maintain the block structure. So this is the condition for the while loop. While count less than equals to 10 colon means the condition will remain true till the count has the value 10, means from 1 to 10, and then inside the loop, see the indentation is there. Inside the loop I am printing the value. I am asked to print the value hello for 10 times. So hello is a message and I am printing with print, as print prints in the current line and then cursor goes to the next line before next printing. So hello will be printed to next line, next time hello will be printed to next line, and then I am incrementing the counter variable. The count equals to count plus 1. I can write count equals to count plus 1, or I can also write shorthand operators, that is count plus equals to 1. Both will increment the count variable by 1. This increment is very much required because the counter variable will increment next time to 2, and then count will be 2, then next time count will be 3, then next time count will be 4, then next time count will be 5, and the condition will remain true till count is 10. After that, when count is 10, then also it will print hello, because I am asked to print hello 10 times, and then count will be 11, and then the loop will not run. So this is the end of the loop. This loop contains line number 4 and 5, that is 2 instructions. First, print hello, then count is changing. Count is 1, 1 less than equals to 10, then print hello, count is 2, and then again line number 3, 2 less than equals to 10, yes, then print hello, then count is 3, then again line number 3, 3 less than equals to 10, yes, then print hello, then count is 4. So in this way the code will continue for 10 times, and 10 times it will print hello in new line, and when count becomes 11, then the loop will end. So when count is 10, 10 less than equals to 10, the condition is true, it will print hello for 10th time, then count will be 11, then 11 less than equals to 10, condition false, then control will come out of the loop. So here out of the loop I am printing ends of the loop. So this line will be printed after printing hello 10 times. Okay, let's save the code. And I am now executing. See, my code is saved with .py extension, that is the extension of Python file, and the program name is whileloop1.py, and it is, I have saved in a folder, and now I am executing by the run command. I am using Thonny lightweight software, like it is an IDE for Python. You can use this one for program execution as well as for project development. So I am executing the code hello for 10 times, and then when the loop ends, then end of the loop is displayed. So for writing the loop code, that is iterative statements, we can use the keyword while, and after that the condition. Remember that after while you have to write something which will generate boolean value, either true or false. Like here I have used the relational operator, less than equals to. Relational operators always generate a true or false value. And remember that the counter variable, that is the loop variable, must be initialized before the loop, like I have done before. A loop starts, count is set to 1, and the condition, and then the code inside the loop. And for writing code inside the loop, as we are writing block of code, means one line or many lines can be present, so indentation needs to be maintained. Indentation is the main thing in Python coding, because for showing the block structure we don't have any curly bracket or other construct like third generation programming language, so we need to maintain the indentation. So this is the simple example of loop iteration, and with the help of while we have another structure for loop, that is for. So in the next video I will show you the concept of for, and other videos will be there for different programs with while loop and for loop. Simple to complex, all types of programs I will upload in my videos, and with the help of loop structure. And then after completing the single loop structure, I will continue with the nested one. Nested one means where loop is present, one loop is present inside another loop. So for time being, bye.